In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste effectively on your computer, a skill that's incredibly useful for both beginners and advanced users alike. Copying and pasting can save you time and effort, whether you're working on a document, creating a presentation, or just organizing your digital life. Let's dive into the simple process of copying and pasting. First, you'll need to select the item you wish to copy. This item could be anything from a block of text, an image, a table, or even a combination of these elements. The selection process might vary slightly based on the content. For text, you might click and drag your mouse over the text, while for an image, a simple click might suffice. The key point here is to ensure that the item you've selected is highlighted or outlined, indicating that it's ready to be copied. Once your item is selected, it's time to copy it. The quickest way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C. This command works universally across most programs and is an efficient way to copy any item you've selected. Alternatively, if you prefer using the menu options or if you're unfamiliar with keyboard shortcuts, you can copy using the menu. Simply navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon, which is usually located at the top of your program window. On this ribbon, you'll find the Copy button. Giving it a click will achieve the same result as the keyboard shortcut. With the item now copied to your clipboard, you can move on to the location where you want to paste it. This could be within the same document, a different document, or even a different program entirely. Position your cursor at the specific point in your desired location where you want this item to appear. Whether it's at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of your document, ensuring that your cursor is in the right place is crucial to maintaining the flow of your work. Now, with your cursor in the correct location, it's time to paste your copied item. The simplest way to paste is by using the Ctrl+V keyboard shortcut. This method allows you to quickly and easily paste the item from your clipboard exactly where your cursor is. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using the menu options, or if the particular program you're using has a different setup, you can use the Paste button. Just like when copying, you'll find this button in the Home tab on the ribbon. Clicking Paste will seamlessly insert the copied item into your document. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful technique to enhance your productivity, the art of copying and pasting. By mastering these straightforward steps, you'll navigate your digital tasks with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.